Alright, y'all, y'all know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP got a 1994 Honda Civic hatchback, and we're going to be taking this radio out. First thing you need to do is come down here. I already took these out, but it's a Phillips, so you want to take that one Phillips out there, or one Phillips out there. There is another Phillips right here on this side, and then if you come over here, there's another Phillips. So that's 4 Phillips that you have to take out, because this part has to come off. You got one harness for your cigarette lighter. I've already unplugged that. And if you can look up, there's one Phillips right here that's holding this radio together. So, holding it in to that bracket. So we're gonna go ahead and take that one out, and we should be able to just slide this thing on out. There it is. There it is. Now I'm just gonna ISO mount our radio, meaning we're gonna take the cage off the radio and mount it in here, wire up our harness, and this thing will be good to go. So you can see we got our cage. Already got the little tabs mounted like that. Harness wired up. Now all we have to do is just stick all this stuff inside of here. Slide our
saying goodbye to a friend.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found some value in this video, at least how to take it out. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, share, subscribe, comment, all that kind of stuff. And I hope I made your install life just a tad bit easier. Don't forget to hit that notification when you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any more content. And I'll check you guys on the next vehicle.